Okay, so this is the box that we just bought in Garden City. What day is it today?
It is Saturday.
Okay, 18th of May, Saturday. So let's we open to see if any damage or not. But by the way, personally, really don't want to have the secret, which is the Mechanic Man. I like this series because the robot, not because of the mechanic guy. So let's see. So now we just rip it off the plastic part violently. Oh well, anyway, you can see there's a pop mart stickers here, and then you can tell I'm bought from there. Oh wow, nice. Secondly, let's open the sticker not carefully so you can just open it. Thank you, Joe. Oh wow! Now we can have a look what we can get. Personally, I want to get the one on the face, which is the La Bubu. And the one I really want is called Dark Still. Generally, I heard that they have a sequence about the first one is the first character. So let's see if it's true. I can't really tell by shaking because everything is the robot, so you can't really tell anyway. Well, I'm happy at least it's not the mechanic guy. Let's see. I'm not gonna sell it anyway, so I just open the box. Okay, the first one is called Flame, which is good. It's not the secret, and that is the red one. Oh, I can feel how heavy it is. Not. I love it! And you can move the arm as well. I would say some of the color painting is not good at all, but oh no, it was that. So let's do combination later together. I'm just gonna put aside first, but it does look good. I love it. Cool. Move on to the next one. I still haven't got my favorite yet. I still hope that I won't get any secret, which is good. Okay, second one. What is it? Wow, this is the Horizon, which is the second. Oops. Let's see. Wow, this one is even more cool. Nice. It's so cute that you can see the from the inside. And this Labubu is playing video game. Cool. Is that it? Okay. Have to be careful. Oh, anyway. I'm really serious. Scared about the secret. So let me check to see which one feels like the secret. The secret should be more light and more space. If something sounds like that, I'll probably open it first. Okay. Oh no! This one feels very light. Okay, let's see. These three sounds very light. So let's see. No secret, please! I don't want secret! Oh yeah, that is my favorite, which is the one I want. Right. Cool! You can just open it. Close. Open. You take the Labubu out. It seems like not. Cool. Love it. It seems like I don't have any secret, which is great. The snowman, which is the one I want too, but at the moment, I really want the Saf's one with Labubu. At the moment, I don't have the corrosion and the sand wave. I personally want the sand wave. Cool! It's really cute. Oh, the snowman crying? Is that really or the quality problem? I think it's the quality problem, but it's okay. I still love it. Really nice. I don't know how to pronounce it, but oh my god, that looks so cool. Is it the one I want? Labubu, Labubu, Labubu. Cool. I love it. That's so cool. I still have 6 left. instead 7 actually. Oh yeah, that is the one I want, sand wave. Oh my god, that's so cute. However, the sand wave is not Labubu. It's the Scout Man. I don't know, probably it's the scale of Labubu. Yay, the pink one! The flamingo. Love it. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, scare me. I thought that is secret. It's not, which is great. Storm. Oh my god, I love every of them. I love the design of idea by robot. I don't know where should I put it. Oh, here. Okay, I got it. So cool. This is sunrising. Oh, looks so nice. This little baby is eating a chocolate. I love the fact that their hand can moving. The baby is so cute. Okay, 3 left. No secret. No secret. Please don't give me any secret. What is this? The Scout Man again! Corrosion! Oh wow, this one looks cool. Open, close, open, close, open, close. Cool, I love it. Okay, wow, this made me a bit scared because it's a bit light. Hopefully it's not, it still have 2, it's not coming out, which is the dust and I don't know. Anyway, it's the purple one. I hope I can get the purple one. Yay, it's the purple one! When I say I want purple one, it's purple one. Great. Oh, so cute. It's wear a pajama. Okay. So now one more left, and I don't believe that is secret, which is good. Oh, this one's so cute. Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay, one more left. I believe it's dust. No secret. No secret. Dusk. Great. Oh my god, this one's so cute too. Bum 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 bum.